Right now, so I'm logged in on my phone as Tech1 on my app, right, on my Basecamp app. So I've got the HQ. So this is I'm a technician. I'm one of the guys out in the field, but I can see everything on my iPhone 6. Yes, it's an old phone. I never use my phone to be honest. I can see install department stuff because I'm allowed in. I can see projects that I'm tagged to, right? So what we were talking about, and here's I can see my notifications. Quick catch up. I didn't really read that. Hey guys, what's happening? So in the campfire, technician can check in if it lets me click on there. All good. So far, Sunfar. So I'm logged in as me on the. I've actually clicked I'm in the Happy HQ, aren't I? So I've put in there a general business work comment campfire. Let me go back. I want to go to this pharmacy fire alarm, and in the campfire, I'm going to add on site now. Oh, good. Right. This is private to your team. Send, right? Notification on the app. So I'm logged in as the admin here. Campfire Pharmacy. Great stuff. Tech 1. Let me know if you need anything. Right. So I think you're seeing within this whole thing. I don't want your photos. Great stuff, Tech 1. There's your thanks. If you want to change this so that other people can see, you may not want to. Tech 1 can see messages, can look at the quote. Right, you got to remember that this is a yellow bar at the top. The client can see this. Be careful. So you might not put here the client's a nightmare, or the client's saying something about something or other. You might prefer to go and my stuff, pharmacy, SS, ping Sarah. Hey Sarah, did you sell a smoke? Oh, my fingers. Smoke detector in the safe. Right? So now I can message that salesman. So Sarah's back here. Notifications off. Pings even. Hey Sarah. So if I turned that on, it would have come through, right? Sarah's not focusing no more. Pings. Did you sell a? Yeah, 2. Get the message straight away. Needs to be a heat detector. Same price. Just update. File, whatever it might be. You'd really be telling your manager that, right? But then you've got a discussion. You've got a place where people in the field, or whatever it is your company is, can talk directly to who sold stuff. What did you sell? When you've worked with people and you want to be in touch with your sales manager or your install manager, you want to know what's happened. Add a document. Add a schedule. New event. Come on. Allow the client to do it. All day. Tech 1. Evan the electrician. There he is. Notes. Pulling wire. right? So I'm notified via an event what's happened, right? So when you can see in the events, schedule to the client, untitled. I didn't title it again. Pulling wire, but I can edit it, right? Edit. Pulling wire. So I think now you see you've got the app on the move. You've got all the information you need at your fingertips. You can share it with who you want. You can access it or not from anywhere. You've got communication. You've got activity. You've got your productivity. You know, and you've really got everything you need in Basecamp in one fingertip. People can directly talk to clients. They can directly talk to whatever you need.